guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying another color changing polygel kit. This is the Homost. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but I'm just gonna say Homost because that's what feels comfortable for me. But this is the Homost brand. You can get this on Amazon. They sent this to me for free, so thank you. So this kit comes with dual forms, a brush with a spatula on one end and a brush on the other, a hand file. I'm not sure what grit it is, but a hand file. These clear iridescent gems, rhinestone gems, the instructions, and this kit comes with 8 color changing polygels. The first color is rose. It is this really nice light pink color right now, but it changes. You'll see it change. The next color is red. It is this light pink color, but you'll see it change to red, like an actual red. Number 3 is violet. Number 4 is yellow. Number 5 is sky blue. Number 6 is green. Number 7 is blue. And number 8 is gray. I've never had a dark color polygel like this. This is really cool that it came in this kit. Here are the colors side by side, and they're true colors right now. I'm going to cure them 30 seconds in my nail lamp, and here they look cured. They turn into these really pretty pastel colors. I think that is so nice because usually color changing, they usually turn like clear, but these turn pastel and I really like that. So we're gonna get right into this nail set. I'm doing this set on my sister. We are going to start out with nail prep. Next, I'm going in with some base coat, and I'm just going to glue on the tips and then have her put the nail lamp over the tips to cure them. And then I'm just going to cut them to the length she likes. Make sure you compare the fingers to make sure they are all the same length. Oh my god, chair, shut up! Next, I'm going in with my hand file, and I'm just shaping these tips even though they're already really nicely shaped. Then I'm going in with my e-file and just removing the shine from the tips and blending the tips in with a natural nail. Next, I'm going to paint a layer of base coat over all the nails. After that is cured, I'm just taking color number 004 from the Gershion Polygel kit that I tried. And it is this really pretty nude color, and I'm just going to put a bead near the cuticle and push the polygel to fit the cuticle. This is what is going to create the V in our V French tip. I don't think I said that before. We are creating a V French tip rainbow nail set today. So we are just creating the V shape right now. You just put a bead near the cuticle and then you kind of drag it up into the V shape. And you just want to make sure that your line, your V shape, triangle shape, whatever you want to call it, is nice and crisp. But don't worry too much because you can always go back and file it to make it nice and straight. I'm just going to do this for all of the nails. So this is the first step you want to do. You want to start with the nude color and create your V French tip. So guys, the giveaway video is going to be coming out today. For you guys, it's Thursday. For me, it's Wednesday. There's going to be 2 videos. I'm posting this video, and then I'm going to post the giveaway video right after this at 4 p.m. So stay tuned for that. It's literally going to be like a 1-2 minute video of me explaining the rules and the directions for what you got to do to enter the giveaway. I hope you guys are excited because I'm really excited. Like, I feel like I kept pushing back this giveaway thing because I really didn't know like how to make a video for it. I don't really want to be on camera. Like, it's not that, like, you guys have seen my face. Like, my profile picture on YouTube is my face. Profile picture on Instagram is my face. You guys know what I look like. I just don't feel like being on camera. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna film it yet, but I'll film something. Maybe I'll be talking with my hands or something, but I'm gonna film something and have the giveaway rules in there. So I'm just shaping this polygel into shape, and once they are done, I'm just going to wipe off that tacky layer and take my hand file and just crispen up that V shape, because we want a nice crispy V. If your V is a little bit round, well, that's fine. But today I'm going for a really nice, crisp, sharp V. Now we get to the fun part. I'm going in with color number 2, red, and I'm just putting some at the tip here. And just patting that around to fit the V shape, going around the V shape. If some of the red gets on the nude, that's alright, because when you file, your nail will file into shape basically, if that makes sense. But I'm just putting the red around the nude, and the first impression I get from this polygel is, first, I think it's really soft. I think it's really soft, but a good soft. You know, it's not like runny, but it's a nice soft. It's like, I know this might sound weird, but it's like creamy. I feel like it might be a little bit sticky. The second my brush doesn't have any liquid on it, the polygel instantly sticks to my brush. I explained in another one of my videos that polygel is basically just acrylic powder and liquid gel mixed together. I'm pretty sure that's right. Like, that's what I heard. Yeah, so this one, they just probably have a little bit more gel than the acrylic powder, which is fine. I think this consistency is all right for me. You just have to keep dipping my brush into the slip solution, because without that, the polygel is gonna stick. And it's not only gonna stick, but it like drags the whole, like all the polygel with it. Other than that, I think the colors are really nice, and I think the color change is really nice. Maybe it might be a little runny if I like used it on the whole nail. I'm not sure. I'm only doing it at the tip over here. I think the consistency is very soft, and these colors remind me of candy. They're opaque, but they're like a little bit sheer too, and I really like the pastels, but the colors right now, these vibrant colors, they really remind me of candy, and I'm really here for it. I don't mind. This thumbnail, I added a little bit too much polygel. Don't be like me. Try to conserve your polygel. I accidentally put a little bit too much, had to wipe it off. Anyway, you just want to kind of straighten up the lines for the V shape, so you don't really have to do too much filing afterwards. But if you do get some of the color on the nude part, that's all right. So here are the nails after they have been cured, and I'm just going to wipe off that sticky layer. And I'm going in with my hand file and just reshaping the nails. Something about this polygel that I noticed, the Homost polygel, the colorful one, is that it's like really easy to file. I know it might sound strange, but I feel like it was easier to file than the Gershion Nude one, which I don't really care. I don't mind filing. It's just I feel like it was really easy to file. This color changing one is like really soft, so that makes it easier to file. Maybe. I'm just shaping these nails right now, and the pastel colors look really pretty. The red and the yellow like blends into the nude color, so it looks a little strange, but not like crazy strange, and I don't really mind it. I kind of like it, but I also like the vibrant color more. And now I'm just buffing the nails to get out all the scratches. And I'm taking the rhinestones that came with the kit, and I'm taking some top coat. I'm just painting top coat over the entire nail. This was a little quick gem design, so I didn't really go crazy with like adding a clear polygel to make it really hold. I just put top coat on the whole nail and then put the gem there and cured it. Next, we're going in with some cuticle oil, putting a drop on all of the nails. Here are how the nails turned out. I think they turned out so cute. These colors are so cute, and they just remind me of candy. The colors are really vibrant, and then when they color change into the pastels, I think they are so cute. Cold water makes the colors turn vibrant, nice and vibrant, and hot water makes it this pastel colors. Polygel itself, I like the consistency, like the soft, really smooth polygel. I tried the Astound Beauty polygel, and that was a little more on the grainy side, but it wasn't sticky at all. Like this polygel is kind of the opposite. It's on the more sticky side, but it's like not grainy, you know? But I think this kit was really nice, and you get 8 colors for only $30. I think it's worth it. The kit did not come with a top coat. The kit should have came with a top coat and a base coat. So yes, giveaway video is coming today. When you're watching this video, the giveaway video is going to be posted in a few hours. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you go check out this Homost Polygel color changing kit on Amazon. The link will be in the description. I think this kit is worth the money. It comes with 8 different colors. Everything worked really well. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Giveaway video is coming very soon. I will see you guys next time.